Antair Skies!
Hello, little learners! Today, we're going to learn the names of some yummy fruits and how to spell them, too. Are you ready?
Hi! Can you guess what fruit I am? I'm red, round, and crunchy. That's right! I'm an apple. Let's spell it together. A-P-P-L-E. Apple.
Can you guess what fruit I am?
I'm orange and full of juicy goodness. I'm an orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Hi! Can you guess what fruit I am? I'm big, green outside, red inside, and full of black seeds. I'm a watermelon. Let's spell it. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. Awesome job, friends! You guessed the fruits and learned how to spell them. Let's say them one more time together. Apple, orange, and watermelon. Thanks for playing with us. See you next time. Bye-bye!